update.
Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. I'd like to apologize for our weather here yesterday, folks. It was 113 in the morning when the show was starting, which was at 10 o'clock our time. It was already 110. 113 was the hottest June day this city has ever known. Today is going to be 113 also. That ends today, supposedly. Our monsoons begin to start anytime now, usually from the 15th of June to the 15th of September. We get rain just about every day, which cools things off, and it makes it a little nicer. But boy, when those storms come in, you can lose electricity quickly. Now, I'm going to take a look at the bonds today because we have the Federal Reserve out here. We had the high made last Thursday. If you remember, then we had the big move down on Friday. So far, on the way back, as you can see, from your high down to your low, you came right up to the 382 this morning, and you backed off, and you're right at it again. So with the Fed speaking, it can go either way. Folks, the bonds do not look good, in my opinion. If we look at the hourly chart, they don't look that good. If you look at anything bigger than that, they don't look that good either. Now, this is what we've done here over the past 7 or 8 days. We had the big move up here. If you remember, that was the large ABCD that completed right up there. We've seen that many times. It was right at a 61% retracement. Then we came down. And then today, you can see we made a beautiful ABCD pattern, almost exactly at the 382. There it is right there. We haven't gone down. Well, we did go down quite a bit. We dropped down we dropped a full point, and now it's rallied back. That's because nervousness of the Fed. That's really what causes this. So still looks bearish. If you look at this on the long-term daily, okay, doesn't look good here also. All right, there's that 382 or 61 we talked about just a minute ago. So it's held that level pretty good. Looking at this on the weekly, it looks even far, far worse. There's the weekly, and there's the 382 on the weekly that we made last week, right at the old money up here. That was that number right at 114.24. We're just a handle under it. Now we've had a 1, 2, 3, 4 week rally in a bear market. That's usually all you get. I frankly don't know what the Fed's going to do, and I'm not sure they know either, but that's what we're going to be watching here to say. We'll be right back, folks. We got a lot to cover. 877-927-6648.
In the world of trading,